Oh, good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. We got Momo back here. She's excited and having fun. But as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, today is just a little bit of a frustrating day. We're out here trying to get things rectified. So basically, long story short, the Subaru here that I purchased back probably 3 months now. I think May 6th would be 3 months that I purchased this car. I never received the title. I never really thought about it. I just figured it would come in the mail. Then my inspection ran out the end of March. So I ended up, I don't know, I just kind of forgot about it driving around, and then I was like, oh man, I got to check into that. So I called the guy, or called the notary. They said, yes, all the paperwork was done, submitted. I have no idea. Then I barely gave her all my information. Long story short, I just met up with the notary lady, and she had no idea. She's like, I remember you, but I don't remember the paperwork or any of that. And of course, I made a mistake. I lost the pink slip to the car, the original paperwork that we did for the title transfer and everything. So I made an original mistake. I lost the paper. I can't find it. She lost the paperwork. She can't find it. I went down to PennDot, and they have no records of this the transaction or the car. So I'm kind of at like a limbo and at a loss. However, the guy who I bought it off of is nice enough to meet me at PennDot, which he's going to meet me in a little bit today. I got a form and everything here that he is going to have to fill out, and we're going to have to submit everything, basically saying that it's, I guess, an abandoned title or lost, or I have no idea. But we're going to hopefully get this Subaru title rectified today. And I gotta tell you guys, it's always something. But if you guys want to support me, do not forget that I have a couple shirts that we're doing a pre-sale with. They end actually on the 30th. So get your orders in now. I have PayPal, I have Venmo, Cash App. Definitely buy your shirts while you can. And we'll see what happens. I'm gonna post shirts right now, and I'm going to go to the notary. All right, we've got all the old plugs out here. Obviously, we know this is just a quick little misfired diagnostics. This one here is actually probably the culprit, but they're all pretty bad. I think this car has like 170,000 miles on it. So we are taking the old ones out. This one, obviously, you got to pull the intake out, and we're putting iridiums back in. So let's just get this thing buttoned back up here, and then we got to do a wheel bearing. Woo! All right, fingers crossed. Going to PennDot. Let's hope we can get the title resolved.
I took a picture of you guys.
Life can be stressful. Let's go. What an absolute nightmare. So I wasn't actually able to transfer my plate, so we actually had to get a new plate. And yes, I know I probably should have swapped this out because this is actually technically registered to this car right now. But man, oh day, the stress relief is finally over. My car is actually legal. I actually have a title, which they gave me the title right then and there on the spot, which I'm freaking loving the fact that I now have the title. And I know it seems silly, but stuff like this does happen all the time. Like, it doesn't just happen to me. There's the title. I'm not going to show you the front for privacy reasons, but we own it now. Officially, it's legal. It's ready to rock, ready to roll. Well, I guess it was always technically legal, but it was illegal on the same hand. So again, they made me get a new plate. Big deal. It is what it is. It cost me a couple extra dollars, and I lost my notary fees and everything from that notary lady, so it kind of sucks. But at the end of the day, like, I'm just over it. Like, my car is good, it's legal, I can drive it, and I can actually go get it inspected now and stop getting pulled over. So huge shout out. I'm not going to make a pullover video. I know most people probably would. Not going to make a pullover video because the cop was super cool. He was super nice. He understood my situation, gave me 10 days to rectify it. I'm officially rectified now with it, so we can move on from the situation. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll some footage of what I have going on around at the house, and I hope you guys do appreciate the hustle and bustle and the daily grind that is usually non-stop. Like, I know you guys don't see a bunch of things that me and Mo and myself mainly do throughout each day, but I get a lot of things done. I work my tail off, and the true people that follow me and support me, they see it and they know it. So roll the footage. Love you guys. See you in the next one.
Bye.
What? There you go. Now you say it.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, man, oh day. Some things are just a little bit more frustrating than other things, but we're good to go finally. The Subaru is 100% legal to be in the streets, and I actually have a title for it in my name, and I have it now. Like, that was stressful, guys. I won't lie to you guys. Super stressful. I didn't realize that it was going to end up being like that. I'll never go to that notary again, but I'm glad that it's rectified. Glad that we got it inspected, and I'm glad that's 2 less things I have to worry about now in my life. And we're just plugging and chugging as we go on here, guys. But I'm about to go do my next video for the day. We got some things we're gonna go look at, new vehicles. I might put in some sneak peeks of what we're looking at here at the end of the video. I might not, haven't decided yet, but look out for a video that was coming up. Again, I am gonna do a new car shopping for just kind of like a daily driver. I have 2 vehicles, actually I have 4 vehicles in mind, 2 of them being Ford, 2 of them being Chevy. So we're gonna look at them both and see what we can work out. But there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoy the daily vlog-ish style video, and just kind of the day by day of some of the things that are behind the scenes that you guys don't normally see. So if you guys don't see me post for a day or 2, there's because I'm doing other things. Got a million things going on, as you'll be able to tell by the F350 kind of being down, and the Subaru or Saturn is actually back together. That's right, I just had to put the axles back in it, control arm starter, and the Subaru or Saturn is done. So this is a video coming out very soon. We're probably going to off this vehicle and this vehicle very soon. That being said, take care, go buy some merch, and we'll see you in an upcoming video. Take care, have a good one. Where's that helicopter? Oh.